What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Honda Odyssey Smart Key remote fob. This key fob is going to be for the Honda Odysseys that have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing we're going to do in order to change the battery is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will slide out like that. Now if we take a look at the bottom of our key fob, we see there's these two black plastic pieces that kind of look like the letter E. What I'm going to do is take my emergency key and push it in between those two so it looks like that. Then I'm going to take the emergency key and just pry the two halves apart. Now I had this kind of tipped up so you could see it a little better, but while you're doing this, try to keep the key fob with the buttons facing down, and that'll help keep the buttons in place. Once you get the two halves split apart and we pull the back half off, we see our battery right here. Now some people will just use the key in order to get the battery out of there, and it does work, but it's quite a bit easier just to grab a flathead screwdriver or something like that if you have one available. And we can get under the edge of the battery, get it out of that holder. Then we'll grab the new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing the new battery with the plus side up. Kind of tuck that edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. And if your buttons have moved around at all, make sure you slide them back into where they need to be. And then we can snap the two halves back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.